Hello and welcome to the first episode of Self-Development Diary in context of game development. Last month I didn't expect that this topic would be even close to being touched in this month, but I had some spikes in my interests, and I decided why not give it a go. And I wanted to start from a low level thing, as low level as I can go. Of course, I didn't write in I did. I didn't write in assembler, but I did write in C++, along with SDL, and mainly I just did a tutorial on SDL. I'm still in the middle of it, but this tutorial is teaching me the ways of SDL, of rendering the graphics in it, and it's really a low-level library, right? So I find it cool to be able to learn that, and because using SDL is just plain C++ plus C++ and rendering features, right? Like textures, etc., etc. So if I had this feeling that if I learn from low level, then high level languages or high level technologies or high level, frameworks will be easier for me. I've also been studying some JavaScript game development because I'm a JavaScript developer overall. All my life of programmer, I've been using JavaScript, so I consider myself quite good at it. So I've also sought a way to develop games in JavaScript. I found some frameworks. Like firstly, I researched Phaser.js, but that didn't quite agree with me. So I turned to Pixie.js, which is just a renderer, quite like SDL in 2D, just like SDL, because SDL is also used for 2D, and for 3D you use OpenGL. And same with JavaScript. For 3D you also use WebGL, like GL ending. It's quite easy to catch. Maybe I started from the behind, but let's say where I was before I started this month, this cycle of learning. But actually I was much farther than in most topics, because I've developed some games before. There were small games, but yeah, they were functional. So I can say that I had some experience, but still I didn't ever develop a game on a low level. So that's why I wanted to take up on SDL and then maybe go further, maybe then go Unity, change to Unity, whatever, to be honest. I haven't finished the tutorial yet, but I believe I will. For now I am doing a project with my brother, because I'm quite in the middle of this tutorial, and we decided we will do a game based on what we know already. This game is called Ponk. As you can expect, it's about ponking the ball between two players. So yeah, when we'll finish this, we'll probably progress into further into the tutorial and see what happens next. I've also been taking interest in Rust, and especially in Bevy, a game engine written in Rust and for Rust. And I believe it is a good way to go after SDL, because it is so fun. Actually, this engine is so hacking fun. Really, I saw my brother working with it, and it looked amazing to develop in this environment. But firstly, I need to learn Rust, and that's probably what I will do next month too, because I'm studying, and one of my classes allowed me to program in Rust, so I decided, heck yeah, let's self-develop, right? And I decided I will do it in Rust. So yeah, that's about it in this path of game development. I done something. I could have done more, but yeah, progress is progress, right? Whatever, who cares? Yeah, see you next month, future Maciek, and keep peace.